Losing streak continues, but done in 20 minutes. 9:30. We're in this weird area on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. Like, are we going up? Are we going down? We have inverses to the upside, but we do have but we kind of inverse to the downside again. I should have just waited for us to tap into this fair value gap and push because we're finally pushing now. But we got a nice candle hammer here, but what I didn't do, I didn't get in on the hammer and it would have played out. As you see, 300 ticks. My TP was down here and I almost got in a buy at this candle close. I mean, I am on a account. Should I get in another buy? On my express funded. I'm on a funded, not a live account. But my rule is only one trade. That's the problem when I lose on 1-to-1. I do tend to want to take another trade. I can't lose twice on. But this does look like a clean setup now. However, if I would have got in here at the close of this candle, it would have played out, but then I waited for us to push, and I did not wait for the candle to close. As you see, I got in here, this pink line. We wicked up, and then we started to go my way a little bit, and then we kind of just you know, traded sideways until, you know, we finally decided to push up. And there was this 3-minute gap here. There's just so many gaps here. I wanted to wait for us to inverse, and then we kind of never did. That's why you wait for candle closes. Literally while you wait for candle closes. But now we're at this 200 EMA. Even here, see, it has a big stop loss in Q. Just a big stop loss in Q. But yeah, it was a nice candle, and then it wicked up on us, so it is what it is. Like here, are we gonna push higher here? Should I get in?
Order filled.
Let's do it. See if I can make my money back. And then, but yeah, that was the first loss. So, but then again, we could reverse back down from here. This is my problem with 1-to-1. I take double trades, and then now I have double losses. 2 days worth of losses will be 2 days worth of gains will be gone. But I'm not moving my stop loss like I used to. I used to move it to like the low or whatever. I used to move it to the low or whatever. Like I could have moved it to the high. My stop loss was like right above here, and I could have moved it to the high, but I didn't because it's like, no, that's all you can risk. Actually, I'm going to close this order because I shouldn't even be in here.
Order filled.
Now I lost 150. See, that's what I do. 140. It's still not bad. It's not bad, but let's mark that on my analysis too. I got in here and sold here because I'm not even supposed to be in that trade. So let's just mark it as a straight loss. Cause I shouldn't have been in that trade. So I lost another 40 bucks. But yeah, can't take 2 trades. Take one. You know, 9:30 printed, you know, yesterday and Monday, and then obviously not today. But again, if I had got in right here on this hammer, it would have played out. Let's see what it looked like on the 2-minute. Yeah, the 2-minute would have been down here, but the 3, at least that hammer would have played out. I do think this buy is going to play out, but again, my rule, can't break my rules with the 1-to-1. That's what fucks me up. You lose, you get off the chart. But yeah, see if I would have got in here right at this, and I can show you what that looks like on TradingView. If I would have got in right on this candle close, instead of being a little scary, boom. Well, let's make it 200, 200. Because really, it's 210, 210 is my bracket. Would have played out in minutes. So, it is what it is. And again, we're just going to do, like I said, the funded account until it's blown. And like I said, and it's funny because I just said that I'm done with options. And look at, I got on Twitter yesterday because it's really Twitter. It's the Twitter girlies. And This bitch did 4,000%. And I will never understand. Yeah, I wanted this to be a growing page for whatchamacallit, trading, but I post too much political shit on here, as you can see. This. She hit 4,000% on that on that down move we had yesterday. And these girls are just not telling their strategy. And it's like, yeah, I would love to risk $20 to make 200, risk 400 to make 4,000. And then, like, they're getting these. Now, see, this is like, we can get 1 to 1.5 in futures, you know. Even though it's still higher than what I'm getting with futures. I'm getting 1 to 1. But, like, 1,000%, 600%. I want this. But I'm like, let me just focus on my 1 to 1. 2,000%. 2,000%. You're risking 1 to make 3, 1 to make 20, 1 to make 440 yesterday. 900. I don't know how they're doing it. But then you look at, they said this 322 reversal pattern, which I did look up yesterday, and it is like a higher time frame reversal pattern situation thing going on. But like I just comment on the other guy's post, they do sit on the charts for a long time. Like that dump yesterday, that dump happened at what? Yeah, see the 2, that would have played out perfectly if I held it, but no 2 trades. Or if I'm on the funded, is it 2 trades? This dump happened at what? 1 o'clock. So you're sitting on the chart. Are they just trading the PM session? Do they get on just at 12? I don't know. Would this have played out for me? Maybe. This chop may have put my time decay against me. But at 9:30, if I got a 9:30 played out perfectly, or what I did, should I wait at 9:45? Like, I don't fucking know. Because then we chopped. But then yesterday, on the other day when we chopped, it still hit 200 ticks my way. So, it is what it is. And like I said, we're just gonna keep trucking along. I'm fucking losing like insanely. I'm not really looking at the hourly charts anymore because they'll fake you out. Like yesterday, there was a big fair value gap, a bearish one, before we got into this buy yesterday. I mean, that would have made me want to reverse like here, and it didn't. It just pushed. So I just like this 30-minute and the 15-minute. So we can't. This is undecisive as 15-minute candle, and then we pushed. And then the orb traders are finally getting in on a 5-minute close. So yeah, they're probably getting in here, and they took this buy from here to here. Because let's see what the 15-minute candle range look like. Okay, it's here and here. And then yeah, see the 5-minute close. So it'd be, you know, that'd be your buy. That 5-minute close out of the 15-minute orb. Would that have worked yesterday too? Let's see. Yesterday, the first. Oh yeah, we definitely got 400 ticks after this. Anyway, boom. 5-minute close. Boom. 210, 210. Played out nicely. So then this day, we did 9:30, 15-minute candle, and I would have gotten in on this short, like I said, the CISD, and then if you got in a close here, you got clapped on the orb. versus my CSD. It just, you have to, the entries just have to be so fucking precise. And I really didn't get in on this 3-minute this wick. I got in like, you know, that's why I like the 3-minute chart. It gives you a chance to get in before this full 5-minute candle or 2-minute candle. This 2-minute candle, we would have entered way down here. Versus if I just got in right there, it would have played out. But it is what it is. I'm going to journal